Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to search for items using Google Lens on OnePlus 9. Firstly, you will need to take a picture of the thing that you would like to search for online, or just a screenshot. I don't know what is the thing. In my case, it's going to be this plant. So let me take a picture. Alright, I have the picture. Now you have to go into the Google Photos. Not now. Now tap on the picture of the thing that you would like to search online, and now just tap on Lens at the bottom. And now it's going to show your results online. And as you can see, they are pretty accurate, and that's going to be all. If it helps you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.